Have you ever noticed this? Someday you wake up and feel alive, focused, ready to move, and some days that energy disappears. What if Hindi had a word that captures those powerful moments? Want to know which word it is? Then watch this lesson. Welcome back to Shaheda Education Adventure. This is day 2 of our 60-day Hindi vocabulary confidence journey. Here, one word can change how you express your life. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Hindi word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is Urjavan. Repeat after me. Urjavan. Now you say it. Urjavan doesn't only mean you have physical strength. You can be Urjavan when excited about learning, your mind feels active and fresh, want to do more, not less. When you say Urjavan, people feel your motivation. This journey is building something real. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a Hindi vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio, description, or comments, depending on the platform you are using. For those who want deeper practice, I have created a 15-day private Hindi vocabulary program, short, focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's ideal for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Many students have improved their confidence this way. Now, here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use Urjavan. आज मैं बहुत ऊर्जावान महसूस कर रहा हूँ. वो एक ऊर्जावान लड़का है जो खेल का आनंद लेता है. One word, but now it's meaningful. Now, this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using Urjavan, then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Energy grows when you use your voice. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Hindi course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 2. Tomorrow, day 3, we will explore a word that describes your situation. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Education Adventure, one world of knowledge, your adventure to the best education in the world.